The best place to start, whether you have an OLLI account or not, is yc.edu/PrescottOlli. When you press Enter or Return key on your keyboard, you will be transferred to the right starting place for Prescott OLLI. At this point, there are two options facing you. Notice the Login button in the upper right-hand corner. It is best that you do not select that button, even though it will eventually get you back to the right place. Clicking the Login button takes you to the Yavapai College login screen. The right place to start is the button Click here to register for OLLI Learning Group. Before you can start registering for OLLI classes, you must sign in first. Click on Sign In at the upper right. If you don't have an OLLI account yet, fill in the fields under Create New Account, and then click on Create Account. After your account has been created, come back here to register a membership in a learning group and sign up for a class. If you already have an account, fill in your username and password and click Sign In. If you forgot your username, click Find My Username. An email will be sent to the email address that you used when you created your account, and it will contain your username. If you forgot your password, click Reset My Password. An email will be sent to the email address that you used when you created your account, and it will contain a temporary password. Use that password to log in here, and change your login password right away while you are logged in. Once you are logged in, you are back to where you were at the previous step, and your name will appear in the top center of the web page. Now you can start registering for classes. Notice the menu items in the top right: Sign Out, View Cart, My Account, and Help. To change your password or any other information about you, click on My Account. In the My Account page, the list on the right side of the page contains links to several items. Please check them all out. Before you can add yourself to any class, you must sign up for one of the membership options. Click on Memberships. The list on the left are to show and select a course, and the list on the right are for administrative purposes and to register a membership. Notice in the upper left corner, under the banner, it now says Catalog Memberships. If you double-click on Memberships, you would be taken to the top level of that menu. If you double-click on Catalog, you will be taken back to the very beginning. To register or renew a membership, choose one of Prescott OLLI Basic for $65 or Prescott OLLI Deluxe for $165 or Prescott OLLI Scholarship Donation. A basic membership requires an additional payment of $30 for each class that you sign up for. With the deluxe membership, you are allowed to sign up for 4 classes at no additional charge. With both memberships, you have free access to an unlimited number of workshops or tech topics. See the catalog for details. If you choose to donate, go back to the OLLI home page and click on Donate to support OLLI, and then click Select One. Your donation will be applied to your selection. Please note that you are no longer in the OLLI website, but are now in the Marketplace website. To return to the OLLI site, you must close this window. By selecting Spring 1, 2017, you can choose a class by its number. By selecting Spring 1 by day of week, you can select the day of week that you want to enroll in a class. By selecting Field Trips, you can choose one of the available field trips. For this demo, we have chosen to start with adding a basic membership. Click Add to Cart. The pop-up shows that in this case I have a current membership that expires December 31st, 2016. If I register now for another basic membership, it will expire in December of 2017. For this demo, I'll close the pop-up and continue by clicking on Checkout. In this page, all of my personal information is shown to me. I have the option to update any of it, or to click on Next to continue. And now we're down to paying for the membership. A credit card is required. In order to register without a credit card, you would have to go in person to the OLLI Administration Building, Building 31, and pay by check. You can also mail in your payment with your completed registration form. After filling in your credit card information, click Next. From this point on, just follow instructions. After registering for a basic membership, you can then select a class to attend. After registering or renewing a membership, you are ready to add a class from a learning group. Clicking on the catalog image will open up the full printed catalog with the learning groups beginning on page 3. We'll choose Spring 1, 2017 for this demo. Double-click on one of the classes under Select a Course to view. In this demo, we'll click on number 3, Increase Your Joy. When a class is selected, you will see a pop-up that shows availability and other pertinent information about the class. Click on Return to Course. Here you see a synopsis of the class, the dates, and times. If there is a vacancy, the Add to Cart will be seen. If the class is full, the Add to Wait List will be seen. Click Check Availability to again see the availability of the class. Click Add to Cart. When you select Add to Cart, you will be shown your membership status. Close that window. Click on Check Out to add the class. If you change your mind about adding to the class, click on Remove Item. It is helpful to OLLI if you click on Select One under How did you hear about us? And select one of the items in that list. You will only need to do that once if you are signing up for more than one class, and only if you are new to OLLI. Click on Return to Catalog to make another choice. Click Checkout to confirm that you want to add the class. After adding a class, you can return to the catalog to add another class. If you are new to OLLI and want to know more, there may be a class for that in the near future, but for this demo, there isn't one. To get to this page, start on the Memberships page and click on New to OLLI. Click here. It is recommended that you add yourself to the OLLI mailing list to get up-to-date information on OLLI. To get to this page, start on the Memberships page and click on Add Me to the Prescott OLLI mailing list. Please call the OLLI office if you have any questions about the registration process or about anything related to OLLI. Welcome to Prescott OLLI.